how to FaceTime people on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can FaceTime people on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to make sure that FaceTime is turned on. You need to go to settings, go to the search bar at the bottom, and then search for FaceTime. Open it up and make sure FaceTime is toggled on. Now, once it is toggled on, you need to come back, head over to your phone app, find the contact where you want to FaceTime. Then you can see the video call option. Just press and hold on it, and you'll be able to find FaceTime right here. You can just tap on it after it is enabled and start the FaceTime. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.